Tropical Forest Research Institute is India's national institute for forest research and extension, situated in Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. It works under the Indian Council of Forestry, Research and Education of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. The campus spread over 109 hectares of rocky strata which is bordered by a rivulet on its western side. Till 1973, the area was dry and only a few woody trees and some dry scrubs. But due to continuous efforts of foresters and researchers, this area was rejuvenated by amending organic matter and proper irrigation. Currently, the TFRI campus have enriched in forest diversity with the dominance of native components in the vegetation with the several exotic species, total of 378 plant species. Among them, the pioneer species like grasses, herbs, shrubs and trees were planted, followed by broadleaf tree species like Delbergia siso, Delbergia latifolia, Tectona grandis, Acacia nilotica, Leucaena leucocephala, Butea monosperma were planted all over the section.
With more than 20% of the world's plant species currently threatened with the extinction, the loss of plant diversity will result in reduced options for human innovation, adaptation, and resilience. In this context, the Botanical Garden is the one of the attractions of TFRI campus, cover an area of around 1.76 hectare. The garden aims to promote the awareness, study, integrating scientific research and conservation of plant species diversity. Over the past few years, scientific staff from TFRI successfully established 277 plant species comprises both exotic and indigenous plants, shrub, tree, and herbal plant. The maintenance of the garden is by experienced scientists from TFRI. The present botanical garden are divided into 6 sections, namely Kachnar Lane, Palas Lane, Bamboo Lane, Siris Lane, and the Chandan Lane. Important tree species such as Santalum album, Dalbergia melanoxylon, Commiphora mucul, Hardwickia pinnata, Erythrina indica, Cinnamon tamala, Litsia glutinosa, Bredelia retusa, and so on, are planted all over the section. This botanical garden contains 277 species from 215 genus which are belonging to 76 family. Maximum 38 species from Leguminosae family, second largest family Poaceae, having 29 species. Along with these family Asteraceae, Acanthaceae, Convolvulaceae, Malvaceae, Euphorbiaceae take a significant species diversity in the botanical garden. So this is the more similar to tropical arboretum, which is very unique in central India, established with an aim of conserving native and indigenous tree by ex situ or in situ conservation. In this thematic botanical garden, Bambusatum is a center of tropical diversity, have up to more than 25 species of bamboos are present. There are some xerophytic plant rock garden which is unique part of this garden.
Zodiac and star plants. Trees are worshipped like God in Indian culture. Each of the 12 signs can benefit from the properties of certain plants, which help to heal, grow, balance, and inspire. Star trees of 27 nakshatra, as per Vedic astrology, are significant in human physiological and psychological environments. Here in this garden, different fruit trees are produced during different seasons, which is an attracting point for birds, and these birds get these fruits throughout the season. In India, all the states have their designated state trees. We planted maximum of that plant till the date. Medicinal plants and rare plants are conserved here. Today, with around 20% of plant species threatened with extinction, Unless botanical gardens shift their efforts towards this conservation, management, and use of plants, the loss of plant diversity will stifle human innovation, adaptation, and resilience. In addition to scientific activities such as conservation and research, public education and garden displays are also equally important.
Issues, challenges, and opportunity for botanical gardens in a new era. The garden requires upgradation into thematic botanical garden. There is a call to government for an increase in the funds to botanical gardens for species conservation. It is a time for botanical gardens to develop a new contract with the society to strengthen the capacity and scientific research. The enormous body of taxonomic knowledge, skills, data, and collections built over the past 2 centuries is fundamental to construct specialized gardens. These resources need to be used to address the challenges such as food insecurity, water scarcity, renewable energy, human health, biodiversity conservation, and climate change. This video has thrown some light on opportunities for botanical gardens to advance their resources. It also emphasized that the Mother Nature is not only for ecological purpose but also to society well-being and public health. Thank you.